Did you ever think gold could be recycled from waste? Well, you heard that right. Space debris is one of those things. Are you thinking that an artificial satellite, when brought back to Earth and melted down, will turn into gold?
It's not as simple as you think. Let's find out how they recycle gold from space debris.
And it's entirely possible.
Far out in the deep dark of space, thousands of defunct satellites are carrying a glittering treasure. That's thousands of tons of space debris orbiting Earth every day. From the expensive astronaut suit to the telescope's heat shields. All covered in a layer of ultra-pure gold to withstand the heat of thousands of degrees Celsius. Gold has the ability to reflect up to 99% of infrared radiation, protecting billion-dollar equipment from being burned. And the amount of gold used in the aerospace industry has a purity far exceeding that of commercial gold.
Welcome to the journey of regenerating precious metals from dreams of conquering space. Let's explore the process of transforming space debris into Earth's most valuable gold mine. All returning space equipment must be brought into the highest level of cleanliness in the laboratory. The surface of the fragments contains a series of reflective tarpaulin layers and solid gold-plated circuit connectors. First, the engineers separated the multi-layer insulation called MLI. Each of these thin sheets is coated with a layer of atomic gold only a few micrometers thick.
Space telecommunications circuit boards use 50 times more gold than regular telephones. Because in a vacuum environment, even a tiny oxidizing spot can ruin a multi-billion-dollar mission.
Even the gold plating on old astronaut helmet visors will be completely recovered.
The gold-plated insulation sheets are cut into small pieces by laser in preparation for the chemical decontamination process.
All materials are ready to proceed to the selective separation stage. The biggest challenge: how to separate the extremely thin layer of gold without damaging the substrate structure.
Stage 1. Removing the plating layer with a biological organic solution. A specialized chemical is being pumped in to dissolve the bond between the gold and the plastic film. After just a few minutes, the pure gold flakes began to peel off and float in the liquid. The gentle swirling motion helps release all the gold flakes without the need for high temperatures.
The polymer substrate is being cleanly removed, leaving behind a tank containing a thick, yellowish, flake-like solution. The solution continues to flow through the nanomembrane to collect the ultrafine gold particles. The gold powder is being prepared for the drying and refining process. Stage 2. Vacuum drying and organic impurity removal. The moisture is completely absorbed, transforming the gold powder into a layer of pure, sparkling gold. The spectrometer ensures the gold powder has a purity of 99.99% before heating. The crucible enters the high-frequency induction furnace with magnetic wave heating technology. The temperature was pushed above 1200 degrees Celsius in just a few seconds. The gold powder melts into a brilliant stream of liquid metal resembling lava. All remaining impurities are pushed to the surface and completely removed. Stage 3. Casting the gold bar.
As it cools down, the luxurious metallic sheen of pure gold begins to emerge.
The gold ingot was rapidly cooled in a sterile distilled water tank.
Result: a 99.99% pure gold bar reborn from the void.
Silver and copper from satellite components were also recovered completely.
Each gold bar is engraved with a unique identification number and certification of its cosmic origin.
From drifting fragments, they become priceless assets. Recycling space debris is opening up a multi-billion-dollar space economy. Space agencies are developing robots to collect space debris right in orbit. In the future, metals will be recycled directly in space, without needing to be brought back to Earth.
Help save millions of dollars in material transport costs to space.
This simultaneously eliminates the risk of catastrophic collisions for future spacecraft.
Every kilogram of gold recycled on-site will be a stepping stone on the journey to Mars. These gold bars will continue to be reused for next-generation super telescopes.
Part of that became a unique product page bearing the mark of a star.
Transforming discarded items in space into a proud symbol of technology.
Transforming discarded items in space into a proud symbol of technology.
These brilliant minds are making the dream of extraterrestrial mining a reality.
And this story of rebirth is only the beginning.
Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those fleeting specks of light could hold a gold mine.
Recycling technology is helping humans sustainably master resources. Let's work together to protect the environment, from Earth to outer space.
Are you impressed with this cosmic gold recycling technology? Leave a comment below.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow our exciting production journey. Bye, and see you again.